As senior stone conservators, we constantly see Victorian tiles totally written off as ruined. But honestly, they rarely are. So many Nottingham homeowners literally weep over these floors, convinced a century of heavy footfall has destroyed them. To the naked eye, they look completely unsalvageable. Why? It's mostly down to the high porosity of Victorian clay. See, that porosity causes severe residue film accumulation, dirt and old sealers just get deeply ingrained inside. This masking effect literally buries that vibrant, original clay color right under a ridiculously hardened, stubborn crust. And ordinary cleaning just won't cut through it. Transitioning from masks to vibrant requires true specialist restoration. Take this Park Estate hallway. It actually took David Allen's 30 solid years of conservation experience to rescue it. His meticulous assessment totally proves why tackling this porous clay is absolutely never, ever a DIY job. David's expertise successfully extracted those contaminants, bringing that breathtaking pattern and depth right back to life. So it really makes you wonder, right? What beautifully masked history is waiting patiently under your own feet?